Hey everyone, welcome back to Yes Foodies. Follow me on Facebook and on Instagram at the Yes Foodies. Link will be in the descriptions. Also do like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notified, and check the description box below for previous videos links. So let's start. So today I'm making cappuccino at home. Now taking a bottle, this is 600 ml bottle. I'm first going to put the sugar. This is 2 tablespoons of sugar, and then I'm going to put a tablespoon of coffee, which is instant coffee, and about 2 to 3 tablespoons of water, which is chilled or normal temperature water. And then I'm going to move on to the further step. Do not take way too much water. Take enough water so that the sugar and the coffee dissolves into it. This much water should be enough. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to shake this for a minute until the sugar dissolves nicely and it becomes very frothy inside. After about shaking for 10 to 15 seconds, you're going to see the change. See, it's already started getting frothy. Shake it for about a minute and it's going to be absolutely frothy, and the sugar is going to dissolve completely. After a minute, this is how it's going to look. It's absolutely frothy inside and the sugar has dissolved nicely. In the meanwhile, I'm going to heat up some milk. This is a cup of milk. Do not let the milk boil, just heat it up for a couple of minutes. Now, as you can see, the sugar and the coffee has dissolved nicely and it's so frothy. Just look at that. It's absolutely frothy and looking absolutely like restaurants or cafes, and it tastes amazing. Now I'm going to pour in the milk. Pour the milk from a distance so that it looks more like cafe or restaurant. And voila, our cappuccino is ready. This is super easy. Definitely try this at home and let me know in the comments below. This gets ready in no time and it tastes amazing. Definitely try it and let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.